Oral Performance Enechance Chemistry by Jonli Vildaziola D. Section A Bachelor of Science Agriculture Major in Agronomy. 1. Memorize the element number 1 up to element number 50 found in the periodic table of elements. Recite the element symbol, atomic number and element name.
1. Hydrogen H. 2. Helium He. 3. Lithium Li. 4. Beryllium Be. 5. Boron B. 6. Carbon C. 7. Nitrogen In. 8. Oxygen O. 9. Fluorine F. 10. Neon In E. 11. Sodium N A. 12. Magnesium Mg. 13. Aluminum Al. 14. Silicon Si. 15. Phosphorus P. 16. Sulfur S. 17. Chlorine Cl. 18. Argon Ar. 19. Potassium K. 20. Calcium Ca. 21. Scandium Sc. 22. Titanium Ti. 23. Vanadium V. 24. Chromium Cr. 25. Manganese Mn. 26. Iron Fa. 27. Cobalt Co. 28. Nickel Ni. 29. Copper Nu. 30. Zinc Zn. 31. Gallium Ga. 32. Germanium Ge. 33. Arsenic As. 34. Selenium Sc. 35. Bromine Br. 36. Krypton Kr. 37. Rubidium Rb. 38. Strontium Sr. 39. Yttrium Y. 40. Zirconium Zr. 41. Niobium Na. 42. Molybdenum Na. 43. Technetium Te. 44. Ruthenium Ru. 45. Rhodium Rh. 46. Palladium Pd. 47. Silver Ag. 48. Cadmium Cd. 49. Indium In. 50. Thin Sn.
2. State the difference between atomic mass and atomic number.
Atomic mass refers to the weight of the atom. It is derived by adding the number of protons with the number of neutrons. Atomic number refers to how many protons an atom of that element has.
3. Point the location of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids in the periodic table.
Now, I can point the location of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids in the periodic table. Everything on left side. Anything on the right side, it is the non-metal. This side is under for metal. And this first
4. Differentiate the properties of elements
set,
that are categorized between
hydrogen,
periods
is
horizontal rows and
under
groups
for
column.
non-metal. Metalloid, over there is metalloid. It's the metalloid.
Four. Differentiate the properties of elements that are categorized between periods horizontal rows and groups columns.
Vertical columns of elements in modern periodic table are called groups. The horizontal rows of elements in modern periodic table are called periods. The group member indicates the number of electrons in the outermost shell of an atom element belonging to that group. The period number indicates the number of electronic shells present in atom of element belonging to that period. The elements in the same group show similar chemical properties. The elements in the same period do not show similar properties gradually change from left to right in a period.
5. Point the location of the orbital shells blocks S, P, D, and F.
F block first to column on the left hand side of the periodic table. This is the S block. D block 10 columns in the middle of the periodic table. These 10 columns in the middle of periodic table. This is the D block. And T block last 6 columns on the right hand side of the periodic table. This is the P block, 6 columns. And last, yes, two rows separated from the rest of periodic table is F block. This is the F block.
Six. Enumerate and describe the characteristics of each family group found in the table.
The vertical columns on the periodic table are called groups of families because of their similar chemical behavior. All the members of a family of elements have the same number of valence electrons and similar chemical properties. The horizontal rows on the periodic table are called periods.